Every time I walk away, my heart runs back to you.
Then stop running, stay, and love me.
We found a real market gap investors care about.
Our tech scales fast and cuts costs by design.
With the right backing, this becomes a market leader.
Alright guys, first things first. So if you want to generate this video that you see on your screen, one of the things you'll be needing is this app called Grok, as you can see over here, and ChatGPT. So head over to your Play Store or your Apple Store and download Grok. Then for your ChatGPT, you don't really need to download it if you already have it on your browser. Just browse and use through their website, or you can download if you want. Same thing with Google Chrome. If you don't have it on your phone already, go to your Play Store or Apple Store and download it. And once you are done downloading all these apps that I mentioned, then let's begin today's tutorial. Okay, first off, we are going to head to our Google Chrome, and through the Google Chrome, I'm going to show you the particular prompt I used on ChatGPT. So like I said, if you already have access to ChatGPT through your Google Chrome, there's no need of downloading it as an app, except you have enough space. Okay, so over here I'm going to show you my chat between I and ChatGPT, and this was me telling it to help me generate a dialogue between three persons, three entrepreneurs. Okay, so it depends on you what you want them to say and all of that. And since we'll be using Grok, mind you, for Grok to generate a video for you, it has to be 6 seconds long. So anything you're telling ChatGPT, like you're telling ChatGPT to generate a dialogue between three persons, make sure you also add that you want it to just be 6 seconds long. I don't know if you can see where I placed it there, timed for 6 seconds. Okay, so make sure you're telling ChatGPT you just want it to be 6 seconds long, because if you just head up to your ChatGPT and say, oh, I want a dialogue between three persons, three entrepreneurs, or whatsoever, ChatGPT will generate a long, like a very, very long script for you, and that's not what we are looking for. Because when you copy and paste that dialogue on your Grok, it's not going to work. Okay, so just maintain the 6 seconds long. So next up, we are heading over to Google AI. I need to show you guys what Google AI looks like. Okay, so once you search that up on your Google Chrome, it will bring you to this interface. Okay, so all you have to do is to head over to this place called imaging and type in the prompt you want to give, and it will help you generate the image we are going to use to convert to a video. Mind you, this video we are making like multiple persons talk. The former video I did was just one person talking, but this current video is where you have 2 or 3 more persons talking. Okay, so you want more people to talk in your video, this is what you are supposed to do. So once you've already gone to your imaging, if you don't understand how to use this particular Google AI, check out my other video where I made a talking avatar. I will link it down below at the description box, so you can use through that link to check it out. I explained everything in detail there. So over here, all you have to do is just to put in the prompt you want. Already, if you remember, we gave ChatGPT a prompt, but that is not the particular prompt we'll be using here. We'll use that prompt we gave to ChatGPT somewhere else. It's not here that we'll use it. So I said generate an image of young lovers, a guy and a girl sitting in the bar and all of that. So that was the image it generated for me, the first one. Then the second image is, image of young ambitious entrepreneurs discussing about their new startup and all of that. So it depends on the kind of prompt you give. Okay, any kind of prompt you give to this Google AI, that is the prompt it's going to generate for you. All right, that is the kind of image, that's the image it's going to generate for you. So be very creative with the kind of prompt you give it. If you don't like whatsoever it's generated, you can give it another prompt. Just keep trying, but make sure but also note that you have limits. Okay, maybe if you generated up to, let's say, 10 or 20, you're going to exceed your limit for that particular day. So just know that you have limits for every single day that you're using this Google AI. So be generous with your prompting. All right. So once you've generated your image, all you have to do is to download it to your phone gallery. I don't know if you guys can see this arrow below or beside the image. So just click on that download arrow, the arrow pointing downwards. It will help you download this image to your phone gallery. Then we'll head over to the next step to create our video. Okay guys, so all you have to do to generate your video is to come to this app called Grok. I hope you've already downloaded it to your app, to your phone rather. Okay, so once you are on this app, you head over to this place called imaging. Just click on imaging and come down over here where you have this plus sign on an image stuff. This place they wrote type to imagine, so just click on this plus sign and go to your photo library. So those videos, those images we already generated with our Google AI, see it here, this one. All you have to do is just upload it here, and this place they wrote edit prompt is where you are going to type in that prompt we got from ChatGPT. So all you have to do is just go to your ChatGPT, paste the prompt over here. Okay, let's see if I can see get my prompt from ChatGPT. Let's head over to ChatGPT so we can start up dialogue journal. All right, so we still have something there. All right, that's one thing I love about ChatGPT. It keeps record of what you've, the chat you've had with it before. Okay, so here, no, not this one. Young lovers. Where is the young hair? Yes, so this is the dialogue between Jasper and Miriam. So we are just going to copy it. You're just going to copy it and copy and come over here. As you can see, this particular one doesn't have an audio and all of that, so we are just going to paste the prompt we got from our ChatGPT over here. So once you paste it, you can generate it again. Click this place, the arrow is white, just click it again. It's going to generate again another video. Then I've already generated this before, so I don't, how all these AIs does, it might generate something different, but let's see what it's going to generate. Okay,
Every time I walk away, my heart runs back to you.
Then stop running and stay.
Every time I walk away, my heart runs back to you.
Then stop.
so as you can see, all right, hold on. Okay, so as you can see, it generated like exactly the things I told it to say. Jasper says, every time I walk away, my heart runs back to you. Then Miriam's response was, then stop running, stay and love me. So but the first prompt I did, I added some other things like hug and all of that, hug yourselves and all of that. So
Stop running
just
and
be
stay.
very creative with the kind of prompt you give it. Okay, so once you are done, if maybe you like this, all you have to do is to come over here. There is a download arrow, just click on it and you download this video to your phone gallery, and that's it. Then maybe if you want to edit, you go to your CapCut, your InShot, any of your editing apps. So that is how I generated this. Let's see it.
Every time I walk away, my heart runs back to you.
Then stop running and stay.
Every time I walk away, my heart runs back to you.
Then stop running, stay, and love me.